This real estate advantage property video is presented by Richard and Julia McMahon. Experience modern luxury in this newly built comfortable single-story, barrier-free home. Entering through a large foyer, you can enjoy the open floor plan concept in a spacious vaulted room with contemporary timber beams and ample natural light. A hookup for a freestanding gas fireplace is provided. The kitchen is a chef's dream with a generous island, all new appliances and a walk-in pantry. The spacious primary suite boasts a walk-in closet and a bathroom with a luxurious shower, while 2 additional bedrooms on the other side of the house share their own well-appointed bath. Experience modern luxury in this newly built single barrier-free home where you can personalize your finishes. The spacious master suite boasts a walk-in closet, while 2 additional bedrooms share a well-appointed bath. Enter through a large foyer with ample storage, leading to a convenient laundry room. The kitchen is a chef's dream with a walk-in pantry and a generous island. Modern wood detailing, vaulted ceilings and a modern freestanding gas fireplace enhances the aesthetic, complemented by seamless aluminum gutters with leaf guard. Step outside under custom timber frame roofs and a backyard patio for outdoor enjoyment. Includes a completely finished 2-car garage, 584 square feet with a separate storage area, heated concrete floors with floor drain, electrical hookup for an EV charger and generator, adding practicality to this stylish home. Enjoy the advantage of lower electric costs within the renowned Southwestern School District. This prime location offers convenience with nearby shops and schools, ensuring a well-connected and vibrant lifestyle. Seize the opportunity to create your own haven in this thriving community. See attachment for additional amenities and options. For more information, review the details below or contact Richard and Julia McMahon at 716-485-3202.